You're walking. Oops. Doing good.
Oh.
Doing well.
Hey, doing okay, but you got the most hard, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Did no easy way.
No easy way?
Yes. Like
Practice.
it's a hard like.
Mm-hmm. Very.
Hey, I gonna walk by Uranus this year. That's my goal.
Goal is to walk by the end of this year.
Yes. They think I'm crazy. I think crazy. Hey, for two out there, I am say Birdman, okay? Birdman.
Birdman.
I like it fabulous.
Life is fabulous. Yes, it is.
Uh, oh. Hui. Hey. Hoi. Hi. Kawasasi. I walk like this in the morning about 8-9 times.
Okay.
Okay, not easy. Who?
Yeah, you have to watch out for that. I bumped into it earlier.
Yes. Hui. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey,
Doing well?
camera?
Yeah.
Oh, you record me. Shit. It's awesome.
Yeah.
I can walk by myself.
Uh-huh.
Uh, uh, re believe in yourself, okay? I believe in me. Còn không can do, còn one can do.
Cowabunga.
Ah, shit. I cuss so much, I can't help it. You have to wanted to. It's so easy to lay down and say, hey, I'm paralyzed and disabled. No. You can do it. Okay? Look at me. Okay? 8 months ago, I lay in bed, don't know nothing. Yeah, I get up 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock every morning, go jog 3 miles. Okay? And 6 o'clock, I go ride a bike, make my friend run. Okay? Say, 5, 6 miles every day. Okay? And one day I can come home 10 o'clock, go sleep, get up 2 o'clock. Don't know what happened. My leg don't work, okay? I say from 2 o'clock in the morning till 7 o'clock, nobody come get me, okay? And they have to bring in the house, get me out, help me to hospital. That's why I this will go down, okay? See, don't move. My leg start moving because massage. I went to 2 months out PI don't know nothing because people okay. She helped me one day. I put myself so hard, I pass out. She said, she said, hey, when you need to say propose, I say, why? I don't know. I put myself hard, okay? Hey, I have to put myself hard because my daughter, Olivia, I don't want her, I had to cry. I want to put myself hard so I can get better. I can go running again. Okay? Hey, fabulous day.
Awesome day.
Yes, awesome day. Okay, that's good for now. Hey, let me get the phone. Let me get the phone. Get the phone. iPhone.
Get the iPhone?
Yes.
Okay.
How funky do? Hey.
Hey.
Hey. massage. Oh shit. Oh. Jonathan,
Yes.
you the best.
Thank you.
Tom is the best. Shit. Oh shit. Oh. Hey, massage is best. Oh. Oh.
You're in stereo.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
Stimulating that muscle.
Oh shit.
You may need to check the muscle to extension and help to grow muscle. Sometimes massage hand not too fast.
Yes.
Oh shit. Oh.
Check me.
Yeah, check. Sharp.
Check ที่มือใช่ไหมแขน
ใช่
พยายามที่จะยืดไม่เป็นไร คนใดเลย
Ooh.
เอาวิ่งเลยวิ่งไปเลย
ตอนพักก่อน
เอาเลย